Stop. Don't skip this. This might be the only English practice you actually finish today. Right now, I want you to prove something to yourself. Say this out loud. Today, I will speak English, no matter what. Good. You just did what most learners avoid. You spoke.
Not tomorrow, not later, right now. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna push you further. By the end of this video, you will speak more English than most people speak in an entire week, but only if you stay with me. Because at the end, I'll show you a simple trick that makes everything you say today stick in your brain. Let's start. Before we start, 3 rules. Fast ones. Rule 1. When you see a sentence, say it out loud. Not in your head, out loud. Rule 2. Copy my voice, my speed, my tone. Like a shadow, follow me exactly. Rule 3. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. Trying means you are learning. Learning means you are winning. 3 rules. That is all. Now, let's build your day in English. Sentence by sentence, moment by moment. It is morning. Your day is starting. Before you do anything, before coffee, before your phone, your brain is still soft, still open. Perfect for English. Here is your morning in English. Shadow every sentence. My alarm goes off and I open my eyes slowly. Good. Feel that sentence. It is your real life in English. I lie still for a moment and think about my day. Then I take a deep breath and sit up. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up faster than anything else. Now, here is something interesting. Most people wake up and immediately check their phone, but the most productive people do this first. I take 3 deep breaths before I look at my phone. Try that tomorrow morning. 3 breaths first, then your phone. Now, breakfast. I go to the kitchen and make something simple to eat. Some mornings I have toast. Other mornings I have nothing at all. I always drink something warm, tea or coffee before I begin my day. That warm drink in the morning, that moment of quiet, that is your English practice moment, right there. Say this every morning when you hold your cup. Today is a new day, and I am ready for it. Say that every single morning, in English, out loud. It takes 3 seconds, and it changes everything. The morning is done. The afternoon arrives. This is when life gets busy. Work, study, responsibilities, noise. But even in the busiest afternoon, you can speak English. Even in your head, even in a whisper. Shadow these sentences now. In the afternoon, I try to finish my most important task first. I check my messages and reply to the important ones. Sometimes I feel tired after lunch, so I drink water and stand up. Now, I want to teach you something that no other English channel will tell you. When you feel tired in the afternoon, most people reach for coffee, or their phone, or sugar. But the best thing you can do is speak. Say this sentence out loud when you feel that afternoon tiredness. I am tired, but I am still moving forward. Say it again. I am tired, but I am still moving forward. That sentence does two things. It wakes your brain up, and it practices your English. One sentence, two results. That is simple spoken efficiency. Back to your afternoon. Keep shadowing. I take a short break and walk away from my screen. Even 5 minutes of fresh air makes a huge difference. When I return, I feel more focused and more awake. I work until the afternoon ends, and then I stop. Good. You just described a full afternoon in English. That is not small. That is real progress. The day is almost over. This is my favorite part, the evening. When the noise stops, when the world gets quiet, when you finally get to just be. Shadow these evening sentences with me. I come home, take off my shoes, and breathe out slowly. That first moment at home, that exhale, is the best feeling of the day. I change into comfortable clothes and let the day go. I cook something simple or eat whatever I have. I eat slowly, without my phone, and just enjoy the quiet. After dinner, this is your secret English practice moment. Most people watch TV or scroll their phone, but you are going to do something different. You are going to say this sentence out loud. Today I spoke English. Tomorrow I will speak more. Say it every evening, just once, out loud. It takes 4 seconds, and it builds a habit that changes your life. Before I sleep, I think of one good thing that happened today. Then I close my eyes and let the day go. Tomorrow is a new day, and I am ready for it. You stayed. You made it. And I promised you a trick. So here it is. The one-sentence method. Most learners try to memorize hundreds of words and phrases. They study lists, they take notes, they forget everything by morning. But here is what actually works. Pick just one sentence from today's practice, just one, and say it out loud 10 times before you sleep tonight. Not 10 times in your head, 10 times out loud. For example, choose this one. Today I spoke English. Tomorrow I will speak more. Say it 10 times tonight. Tomorrow morning, without thinking, that sentence will be in your mouth, ready, natural, yours. That is how fluency is built. Not with hours of study, with one sentence said 10 times every night. This is the simple spoken method. Small, consistent, powerful. Let's look at what you just did. In 8 minutes, you spoke English about your full day, your morning, your afternoon, your evening. You shadowed real sentences naturally without a grammar book. You learned the one-sentence method that most learners never discover. And you proved, once again, that you are serious about this. Here is your homework. It will take 60 seconds. Tonight, before you sleep, pick one sentence from this video and say it 10 times out loud. Then come back tomorrow and do this again, because fluency is not built in one day. It is built in 1 minute every single day. Tell me in the comments below, which sentence from today felt the most natural for you? I read every single comment, every one. If this video helped you, give it a like. It tells YouTube to show this to more learners who need it. Subscribe to Simple Spoken if you are not already. A new episode arrives every week, slow, clear, just for you. I am Henry, and I will see you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep shadowing, keep going. You are closer to fluency than you think. Goodbye for now, and have a beautiful day.